Hey guys, Carlos Perez here, and there's going to be a big wave of evictions and foreclosures. There's going to be so many evictions that it's really going to be sad to see what's going to happen. A lot of foreclosures, it's going to be sad to see what happens. But the foreclosures, of course, will present an opportunity, to pick up some, decent properties, maybe do some workouts and things like that. But for people that rent, how do they get help? Well, it turns out that one of the largest landlords in California and about 20 other states is Invitation Homes. And Invitation Homes being so large, they're basically a paper mill. They've been going through litigation. They had a class action for $48 million where they had to pay off for misrepresenting. There's a lot of things wrong with them. And knowing that, I built out the most comprehensive eviction defense website in existence. This is going to allow you to upload your documents when you're being evicted, and it's going to analyze it. It's going to give it a score based on the probabilities of being able to beat it, based on all of the case law that we have programmed into the database. So it's going to look through the database, it's going to analyze all these key points, paperwork, signatures, anything that's out of place. And it's going to give you back a complete legal defense that's going to help you fight. It's going to be trackable where you know what process you're at every time, how to beat it, everything. So beat Invitation Homes every single time. The only professional grade defense system with AI powered outcome prediction that guarantees 12 to 18 months delays and exploits every corporate weakness in Invitation Homes eviction machine. And that's like almost 3,000 cases of theirs analyzed. What the average stay is going to be from the start of the eviction, the success rate, and the AI prediction accuracy. So it's going to stand for template forms errors, service failures, habitable neglect, habitatable neglect, not making repairs, cracks, water leaks, things like that. And it has AI pattern recognition, something that no one else has. So I added all of these things and gave you the perfect AI powered legal arsenal. So it gives you the AI case outcome predictions. So it analyzes based on every other case they filed in California, how your case should hold up. There's the advanced OCR documentation analyst. So when you upload your documents, it's reading everything correctly. It's an anti-Invitation Homes AI strategy. This is machine learning trained specifically on the corporate weaknesses that they have and tactics that exploit their systematic failures, because they do this every time. And the automated progress reports, which it generates a weekly report that I'll be giving out to people. So the strategy identifies all the template defects. It has the machine learning prediction optimal filing timeline, AI generated habitational cross complaints, looking for things that aren't fixed, aren't repaired, automatic service violations, AI optimized discovery strategy, and predictive motion filing recommendations. This is your comprehensive all-in defense program. Now, it's not made as a software as a service because I didn't want people messing things up. So it is something that basically, someone would do. I could do it, or I can assign someone to it. This is a whole system I basically want to sell. Somebody that realizes how big evictions are going to be can own this whole platform for $5,000 and charge people $500 per case filing. And you see here, you get the defense tools. The defense tools basically go in and it gives you everything, starting with the documentation you have to upload. Once you upload it, it goes through an analysis in the AI prediction mode, your defense strategy, the documentation gets printed, any reports that follow, and relevant cases. All that information is analyzed and done there in the board. You also get the case tracker, basically, which you can track the case, see the different status that it's in. It gives you a complete timeline. This is the most advanced eviction defense anywhere. So as you can see, it tells you what the next action is going to be. Which the more the mirror pending. You can search by cases, filtered out by last name, everything. Guys, this is going to be something that will make somebody very rich just dealing with these cases. You have to do nothing else, just these cases, and you're set. And you're going to have a complete breakdown of everything. You're going to have reports printed every week, everything you need to have a successful eviction business battling corporate landlords like Invitation Homes, which currently has roughly, I believe it was 11,000 properties in California. So this is an opportunity for somebody that has the foresight and wants to get into this business and help people that are in foreclosures fighting the Goliath as David and make a lot of money doing this. It's the complete system. There is nothing else you need right here. Once you upload the files, it analyzes it, it gives it a prediction score, it gives you the documents. At that point, it's just now a matter of you getting to the homeowner. They file them either electronically or go down to the courthouse, get a fee waiver. And every step of the way, this is going to beat them off. This will keep them at bay, only because they're a big corporate structure and they do things that mess up, but people don't take advantage of those. And the attorneys that did take advantage of it and win for their clients were charging upwards of $3,500 per case, $3,500. You can own the complete business for $5,000. If I don't get anyone that wants to buy it, I may take on individual clients for $500 a case. But know that that $500, you're going to be in your place for a long time while other people will not. Because what I've built here, what I've trained it to do, everything that's available through this platform is not available if you go to any other attorney, paralegal, and the ones that are charging $3,500 and more use half of the tactics that I have trained this AI on. So if you have any questions, you want to get this platform now and get started with your eviction business, contact me at 760-422-3052. Send me a text. Let me know you're interested in the eviction defense platform, and I'll get back to you, and we will try to get this set up for you under your domain, your email, and this is the only one. I'm not going to sell this to multiple people. This is a one and done. Whoever gets it, they control California. I may do something for Florida or Atlanta, which I doubt, but I may do it if there's that need, because I already know how to really make this process happen quickly and train the AI so that it's the most effective thing in your arsenal. So guys, again, Carlos Perez, the AI eviction defense platform is available for one lucky person that wants to own it. If we don't get that lucky person, I'll be doing cases until we get that person. So reach out to me. And guys, again, when there's blood in the street, there's money to be made. And the evictions that are about to happen are going to be killer.